Yeah!
Hi, Lingokids. What's furry, says woof woof, and can be your new best friend? A dog. Let's grab a piece of paper and a pencil and draw a happy dog. We'll start with the body. In the middle of the paper, draw a large rectangle with rounded corners, like this. Yep, that's the body. Our doggy friend loves lawn naps and good food, but he also loves to run and play. So let's draw his legs. On the bottom of the body, draw 4 long half circles. Well done! You've just drawn the legs. Now our dog is ready to run and jump up and down. Now, let's draw the face. We'll start with the hair. In the upper part of the body, draw a wavy line that comes out just a little bit. Then, with a curved line, connect the 2 ends to give your dog a big head of hair. But don't forget to add the little tuft of hair that's standing up straight, like 2 little fingers making a V. Now, under the hair, draw 2 little circles for the eyes, nice and close together. And for the nose, draw another rectangle with curved corners, just like you did for the body, but much smaller and under the eyes. What a big nose! Perfect for sniffing out treats and surprises. And did you know that a dog's sense of smell is 100,000 times better than ours? Now for the ears. Under the hair and on both sides of the face, draw a fat sausage shape. Like this, see? Now your dog has ears for listening to you when you say sit.
Hello!
What are we missing? Of course, we need the mouth so our dog can talk to us. To give our dog a mouth, draw a big heart shape below the nose and a little to one side. And inside the heart, draw a curved line. That's the tongue. He'll use that to lick your face when he's happy. And what a happy face. Speaking of happy, how do we know when dogs are happy? When they wag their tails. So, to finish your dog, let's draw a big wavy tail on the other side of the body. With curved lines going upwards, draw 3 long clumps of hair. Great job, Lingokids! Look at how your dog is wagging his tail. It's time to color our dog using crayons or colored pencils. For colors, you will need dark brown, pink, orange, light brown, and brown. Use the orange crayon to color in the dog's body and legs. For the legs and the back, you can add a bit of brown to show that they are on the other side of the dog, like this. Now, use the light brown to color your dog's hair. And use the brown crayon to color the ears and tail. Great! Use the dark brown crayon to color the eyes, nose, and mouth. To finish, use the pink crayon to color the tongue. That's it! You've just finished your dog. Look at how he plays and jumps. Now the only thing left to do is to give your dog a name.